Hi everyone, today we're going to work on our glutes doing all standing exercises. I'll be using a pair of dumbbells, but you can just use your body weight, or if you have kettlebells, you can use those too. Water bottles, soup cans, whatever you have lying around. All right, let's head over to the fitness mat and put our glutes to work. We have 8 exercises ranging from 30 to 50 seconds. Starting with reverse lunge twists. Step 1 foot back into a reverse lunge, then your knees should be bent. We're going to twist toward our forward knee, come back up, change what foot you send back, and repeat. Now we're going to do some squats, feet about shoulder width apart, bending at your knees, lower your hips, then we're going to come back up, really squeezing those glutes. Moving into some kickbacks. Bend at your hips and place your hands in front of you, somewhere comfortable where you can keep your back nice and flat. Then we're going to kick our left foot up and out behind us. All right, let's kick out with that right foot. Next, we move into deadlifts. Make sure your core is engaged, keeping your spine neutral. Lean forward at your hips with a slight bend in your knees. Then pull yourself up to an upright position and be sure to really squeeze those glutes when you reach the top. Time for split squats. Step your right foot back into a reverse lunge position, keeping your shoulders back and your head high. We're just going to move ourselves up and down. Let's repeat this on the other side, kicking our left leg back. Now let's move into curtsy squats. Bring one foot across behind you, do a squat, come back up to a standing position, and then repeat this move alternating sides. You're doing great, guys. Just 2 more exercises to go. We're gonna move into pendulum lunge. Start with kicking your left foot back into a reverse lunge, come back up, and then move into a forward lunge. Just keep this going on your left side. Now let's switch, doing the reverse and forward lunge with our right leg. Moving back to the left side, do a reverse lunge again, and this time when you come up, move into a side lunge. All right, let's switch over and do the same thing with our right leg. Great job, everyone! Doing these will help strengthen your lower body in no time. If you enjoyed this workout, be sure to hit that like button, share this channel with your friends, and send me some love by subscribing. I really appreciate you guys helping my channel grow. Don't forget, you can always join me when I'm live on Twitch for more behind-the-scenes fun. All right, guys, click that little bell, and I will see you all again soon.